Hi everyone and welcome to the 1.6 video. Today we're going to be talking about sales tax, commission, and how to calculate a percent discount. So if we talk about what sales tax is, tax translates to impuesto in Spanish, and these are when we add on extra money that goes to the government. So since it's added to the cost, we're going to add the percent to the entirety of the cost, meaning 100%. That's where we get here. Okay, and so when we calculate this, it should be going up. So let's take a look. If you need to pause and get out a calculator, that's fine. So the sales tax rate in Pennsylvania is 6%. That means 6% is going to be added to my 100%. So I'm still using my same proportions, and I'm going to put 100 plus 6, which is 106. So I added that to 100. That will be my percentage. Suppose the purchase price of a guitar is $839.95. So $839.95. What is the final price? Okay, so I'm going to open up my calculator. Let's see if I can get my calculator to open. There we go. Okay, and on my calculator, I'm going to do 106 times $839.95, and then I'm going to divide by 100. So if I copy down what I did, I first cross multiply here, and so when I look at that, that's how I got 89,034.7. So 89,034.7. And that would be 100x, because when I multiply 100 times x, I get 100x. I'm going to divide by 100. And when I divide by 100, I get 890.347. Okay, and if I round that to 2 decimals, which is what we use in money, the 7 makes the 4 go up. So we're going to get 890.35. So if you were to ring this up at the store, with tax in Pennsylvania, this guitar would cost $890.35. Let's do another example. In Wisconsin, so we're talking different state, every state can have its own different tax rate. Sometimes it even changes by county. So we have 5%, okay, and then it says on 3 gallons at $43 each. What is the total price? So how much tax and what's the total price? So just like we did before, we're going to go ahead and set this up over 100. My 5% gets added to 100, so I'm going to put 105. My cost, I need to calculate my cost. I have 3 gallons of paint, so if I was to draw a gallon of paint, this is $43, and then I have another one that's $43, and then I have another one that's $43. So if we do this, 43 plus 43, this is 86, plus 43 is 129. So that means my paint would have cost $129 before tax. Now I need to figure out how much it costs with tax. So I'm going to put my x there. I go ahead and cross multiply. 100 times x is 100x. And then I'm going to do 129 times 105. And that'd be 13545. 13545. And now I divide by 100. And this would be $135.45. That's how much you have to pay at the cash register when you buy this. So this $135.45 is the total price. So the other question that was asked to me is how much tax. So if I want to know just the tax amount, that would be the difference, okay? The difference between what it should have cost and what it cost with tax. So if I look to find just the tax, I'm going to do 135.45 minus 129. So if I divide that by 100, I get my 135.45, and then I need to subtract 129, and I get $6.45. I paid $6.45 on these gallons of paint, and that was the tax money that went to the government. Okay. The sales tax on the purchase of a GPS navigator, which costs $799. So this is the cost, and this is the tax. So if we look at this amount right here is just the tax. What is the sales tax rate? That means we want to know the percent. Rate is the same thing as percent. So I'm going to put X over my 100. The cost was $799. But the final price that I would have had to pay to buy this GPS navigator, I would have needed to add these two amounts together. So first, I'm going to take and I'm going to add $799, and then I'm going to add to it my $55, and I believe it was 93 cents. I'm going to move my calculator just a little bit so I can check. Yep. So my total price that I paid was $854.93 because I added. So to figure this out, now I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. So I get 799x is equal to, and when I multiply here, I'm going to get 85,493. I can always just multiply what I have on my calculator by 100. And now I need to divide by 799. So if x is 107, I need to think about remembering that this tax rate, this is 100 plus the tax percentage. So if 100 plus the tax percentage is equal to 107, I need to subtract my 100 off of that to get my tax rate. So my tax percentage is 7%.